I spent 30 days producing and selling AI beats on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what happened, what actually made money, and the one mistake that almost destroyed the entire catalog. Before I start the full tutorial, here's exactly how much I made selling AI beats on YouTube. Quick thing while I'm editing this video, I recorded this part earlier, so if the numbers of sales and revenue in the Excel screenshot are higher than what I'm saying, it's just because more sales came in after the voiceover and I just took the screenshots while editing. Sorry for the interruption, back to the video. I made 112 total sales from only 30 beats. My total revenue was around $4,200 after PayPal fees, of course. But why are the sales higher than the number of beats? Which mean I was selling the same exact beat to multiple artists. I used YouTube to upload beats and gain views. These views brought me sales, but they also could have earned ad revenue. However, because the channel was new, I didn't reach the YouTube Partner Program requirements yet. Still, the beat sales made far more money than YouTube monetization ever would. My AI Beats channel got around 280,000 views, which gave me 112 sales, which is about 0.04% conversion rate. That sounds small, but think about it for a second. $4.2 thousand from 280,000 views, while YouTube Partner Program would have paid maybe $300 or $400 for those same views. Now imagine doing this for 3 months and getting 2 million views, which is absolutely possible if you stay consistent. 2 million views times 0.04% conversion will equal to around 800 sales. At an average of $40 per sale, that's around $32,000. Now let's break down exactly how we can make this happen. Let me quickly explain what selling beats actually means, in case you're new to this. When you sell a beat, you're selling an instrumental song that artists, singers, and rappers can sing or rap over. You are not selling ownership of the music itself. You're selling permission for artists to use your instrumental. This permission is what we call a license. There are two types of beat licenses: exclusive and non-exclusive. Non-exclusive license. You can sell the same beat to multiple artists. They're allowed to use it, release it, and monetize it, but they do not own the beat. They can't resell it or claim exclusive rights. It's called non-exclusive because the buyer doesn't own the rights, and the beat can be licensed to many artists at the same time. They simply get permission to use it for personal and commercial projects. Most producers price non-exclusive leases between $20 and $50, and this is where most passive income comes from, since you can sell the same beat over and over. Exclusive license. This means you sell the beat once to one buyer only. They get full commercial rights, and you remove the beat from your catalog permanently because you're selling it completely. Exclusives usually range from $100 to $500 or even more, depending on quality of the song. So where do these sales actually come from? 90% of mine came straight from YouTube. I uploaded beats daily, and YouTube did the marketing for me. Artists browse type beats all day, and when they hear something they like, they reach out to buy it. It's organic traffic that costs you nothing, and after your channel hits monetization requirements, the views themselves start generating income on top of the beat sales. But then comes the obvious question. Since we're posting beats publicly on YouTube, what stops people from downloading the beat, converting it to MP3 or WAV, and using it without paying? Well, nothing stops them unless you protect, or let's say, lock the beat. This is why you need a tool that locks your songs from being uploaded to streaming platforms. Even if someone downloads your beat illegally from your YouTube videos, they won't be able to upload it to Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, or anywhere else, unless you allow it. I used a platform called securesongs.com for this. They secure or lock your songs, so unauthorized uploads get blocked automatically. And if a client buys a beat and needs to upload their song, you can simply unlock the beat temporarily from the Secure Songs dashboard, let them upload, and then lock it again afterward. Before uploading anything to YouTube, you need to consider this. Anyone can download your beat, upload it under their name, and steal your work. Before making any beat public, you'll need to lock the entire catalog using securesongs.com. Secure Songs blocks unauthorized uploads on streaming platforms unless you allow it. Just so you know, once your beat is stolen, you can no longer sell it. And in many cases, you can't even claim ownership anymore. That's why locking your entire catalog before posting anything on YouTube, it's the step that protects your whole catalog. For the production, we're using suno.ai because that's the foundation of AI beat creation. Producing the beats. Open Suno AI and use this prompt. On one day, I generated 30 beats in about 2 to 3 hours. Trap beats,
Guys, stay on the track, bitch.
Emotional piano beats, and one experimental genre. They need clean, open instrumentals without lyrics cluttering the track. Now let's move to the part that actually brings in the sales. YouTube. Create a YouTube channel dedicated to your beats. You can also use Instagram so artists can DM you to purchase. But YouTube will always be your main source of traffic. You don't need After Effects, Premiere, or any advanced editing tools. Any basic editor works perfectly. A beat video is extremely simple to make. All you need is a background image, your beat playing behind it, and a clean, readable title. Use aesthetic backgrounds that match the vibe of your music, anime-style visuals, moody rooms, atmospheric shots. You can use a website called pixels.com or simply use Pinterest to download the background images. Name your beats based on their mood or emotion. For example, emotional piano beat. The title of the beat could be Lost Love. For dark trap beat, the title could be Revenge. Keep your channel focused on a single genre. If you want to upload different genres, create separate channels for them. This is how you build a long-term empire. The more beats you have, the more videos you have. The more videos you have, the more views you get. More views means more sales. The title format of the video matters. Use these formats. This helps you rank in YouTube search. In your description, number your catalog. Track 1, Track 2, Track 3, and so on. This keeps everything organized and helps clients reference which beat they want by the number of the beat. Then add your contact information, email and Instagram. You can also use payhip.com, but direct sales are always better. Clients pay you first, in PayPal for example. Then you send them the WAV file. Write your non-exclusive price directly in the description. Usually anywhere from $20 to $50. For exclusive licenses, keep the price open for negotiation. This allows you to get the highest possible offer from serious buyers. The tutorial technically ends here, but don't leave yet. Also, quick warning, there's no editing from this point on. So if your attention span survives only on jump cuts, sound effects, and flashy edits, this might be your exit. If not, stay, because this part actually matters. Based on a lot of comments I've been getting on this channel, I need to clear up something really important. For the first 2 weeks of uploading daily, I got 0 sales. Nothing happened. But in the 3rd week, everything changed. My views started increasing, and that's when sales finally began. I started getting consistent orders every single day, 5, 10, and sometimes even 20 sales in one day. This happened for one simple reason. I stayed consistent and uploaded every day without stopping. Consistency brought views, and those views turned into sales. I'd love to show you my AI Beats channel. Honestly, I really would. But exposing it would completely break the algorithm. That channel is built for one thing: reaching artists who are actually looking for beats. If I linked the channel here, it wouldn't help you. It would destroy the recommendations of the channel. YouTube would stop recommending it to artists and start sending it to people who aren't even buyers. And for the people asking for proof, look, I'm here making these tutorials for you for free. I'm not here to convince anyone with screenshots or show my private business for validation. I'm sharing the exact strategy that worked for me, step by step. You can do it or you can ignore it. That's entirely your choice. But let me say something honestly. People who constantly demand proof, who refuse to take action unless someone holds their hand, those people shouldn't even try this, because your hesitation only makes the market easier for the people who are actually serious. Either take action or keep watching from the sidelines. The results will always belong to the ones who move first. And for those of you who are genuinely serious about this and ready to follow the strategy the right way, listen closely. If you watch this video and follow every step, from producing your beats with AI, to securing them properly, to creating your videos, to uploading consistently on YouTube, and then email me your AI Beats channel link along with any questions you have during the process, I'll give you a personalized 30-minute WhatsApp session at no cost. Because if you're taking real action, you deserve real guidance on your journey. Please don't email me if you haven't started. If you take action, I'll take you seriously. If you don't, I can't help people who do nothing. Real support is for the first ones who actually begin, the ones who create their channels, follow the tutorial, and put in the work step by step. See you soon.